Gold yesterday created a bullish candle, and we can see that the price could not make its breakout from the yesterday candle outside of this smaller range where the price is held for the 3 days. For now we can see that between these two price levels, this one here and this one here. And we can see that the price yesterday formed a bearish, we can see that this is a wick on the lower side, a bearish movement tried to move further down. And on the 4-hour time frame we can see how this has looked. The price formed a bearish breakout going all the way back down and then returning back up, forming a bullish breakout above this one, and then stalled for a while for several hours. The price could not make its breakout to the upside, and we can see how the price looks. The price formed here currently a pretty strong bullish candle where the price stop adjusted the resistance level, so we can see it is another attempt for the price to make a bullish breakout above 2724.23. What we can expect? Well, inside the premium analysis, I will watch on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame how the price is behaving and looking for the further bullish or bearish breakout. And we can see how this looks. The price is top adjust here at the resistance level. On the daily time frame, this looks me a bullish, so I'm expecting that the price will try to move higher to the higher price levels, going above 2724.23, which means making a bullish breakout, further going to the higher price levels. So we'll see when that happens. So this is something that I am expecting, but currently I would like to see the price forming a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. We can see that a pretty strong daily resistance level, and especially on the 1-hour time frame and the 4-hour time frame to make this bullish breakout. So if you would like to receive the notifications as a trader inside the premium analysis, feel free to check that and you will be notified when there is a potential breakout to the upside or the downside with the potential target. So that's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.